What's going on, guys? I'm Tech here tonight because another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to make or use the new Facebook avatars. I'm gonna show you step by step. Stick around to the video. So the first thing you have to do is you have to be the same page I am right now. You're gonna click the three dots like under. After you click those three lines under, all you have to do is to scroll down and you're gonna click see more. After you do that, you're gonna see avatars. If you don't see avatars, go update your Facebook, it will work. And you're gonna click to avatar and you're gonna reload and you're gonna click next, get started. Now you're gonna choose your face like color, or mine is like here, and you can choose your hairstyle too. I'm gonna go by, oh, I can't see my hairstyle. It's like this one. And you can choose your face shape too. The same thing. And you can choose, I'm gonna choose my eyes like this. And I'm gonna put, I don't have glasses, and you can fix your nose if you want. And all you have to do is, if you're done, you're just gonna click the right, like at the top, you're gonna click the right, and it will automatically change your profile picture, and it works 100%. And this is how you do it, guys. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section, and if this helped you out, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and peace.